If you want to add Claude to Slack, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can connect Claude to your Slack workspace in just a few moments. This is a simple setup, but if you follow along carefully, you'll have Claude ready to use right inside Slack, where you can start messaging it directly for help, ideas, and productivity. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump into it. First, make sure you're already logged into your Slack account. This is important because you need access to the workspace where you want to add Claude. Once you're signed in, look at the left side of Slack and find the Slack Marketplace. Depending on your layout, you may need to open the Apps section or search for the Marketplace from the menu. Click into Slack Marketplace to open the app directory. Now that you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type Claude. Give it a second to load the results and you should see the Claude app appear. Select the Claude listing so you can view the app details. On the app page, you'll see an Add button. Click Add to begin connecting Claude to your Slack workspace. Slack may ask you to confirm permissions or approve the connection, so review the prompt and allow it so the app can be installed properly. Once the installation finishes, Claude will be added to your workspace and ready to use. Now comes the fun part. To message Claude, simply type @Claude in a channel or message field where the app is available. After that, enter your question or prompt just like you would with any other assistant. You can ask it to help summarize information, brainstorm ideas, draft messages, or support you with everyday tasks inside Slack. If Claude responds in your workspace, that means the setup was successful. And that's it. You've now added Claude to Slack and can start using it directly by mentioning @Claude whenever you need it. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide.